And the Oscar
goes to Anora.
Best Picture winner Anora led the pack at the 2025 Oscars. Sean Baker, the film's director, made history by collecting 4 Academy Awards for one movie, winning Best Director, Original Screenplay, and Film Editing.
I saved this film in the edit, trust me.
The acting categories went to many first-time winners. Mikey Madison won Best Actress for Anora, Kieran Culkin for Real Pain,
I have no idea how I got here. I've just been acting my whole life.
and Zoe Saldana for Emilia Pérez.
And I am the first American of Dominican origin to accept an Academy Award, and I know I will not be the last.
Adrian Brody became a second-time winner for Best Actor in The Brutalist. The show opened with a tribute to Los Angeles, followed by performances from Cynthia Erivo and Ariana Grande from Wicked. The Wizard of Oz inspired movie went on to win Best